What up, YouTube gang? We just pulled up to Shooter's World. Shooting a 5.5 Sixers.
Today I got my RENETTI. Got an aftermarket scope on it. Here I got my P80. All custom.
Alright, YouTube gang. We also brought out 3 Glocks. We got 1, 2, 3. Alright, y'all. So we got the MCK. Now we're gonna throw the 50 round on this bitch, nigga. Yeah. Boogie got guns, man. Like, comment, subscribe. And then we can't forget the motherfucking Drake, nigga. We got the motherfucking Drake out today, boys. But y'all know y'all love the Drake. What up, YouTube gang? Y'all see what's going on, man. I got like 5 guns on me with this big ass AR. Brought some targets with me. Cuzzo got shit, about 4 guns in there, about 3 guns in there. Oh fuck, where we at, Cuzzo? Okay then, bullshit. Y'all see what's going on? Hey, bitch, it's 120 degrees in Florida, bitch. You see me sweating? Mind your motherfucking business. Huh, Cuzzo? Cuzzo got his shit out of the suitcase on their pull side. Y'all see it, man. It's the gun store. If y'all ain't never seen it before, they got the safes. Me and Cuzzo over here getting set up. Bought a bunch of ammo, targets. About to go in. They got a dining area if you get hungry and want some grease. We about to get our eyes and ears. We about to get our eyes and ears set up. And we in this bitch. Yeah, I'm still sweaty from outside. Nigga, it was hot, bitch. This is what you could rent out. Like if you wanted to shoot one of these, they give you the option. You pay like $70 to rent, and then you pay for your ammo. You can shoot any one of these guns at. Bro, it's the magazine. I'm trying to shoot the extended mag in there. It's not a regular mag. All right, y'all. Right here, my cousin's Glock kept malfunctioning, and we were trying to figure out what was wrong with it. We eventually took apart his Glock and found out that his shooting pin was bent sideways. Just drop this mag up there. Jet, your AR better win. Smack that bitch in there. Slap it in. Slap it in. Put it in and slap it in. Put it in and slap the bottom. Boom. Jet don't know how to work a gun, god damn. So Cuzzo just bagged up the fuck that nigga whole torso up. He fucked that nigga torso up. Alright, y'all see he only got body shots right now. I'm about to do a mag dump with this Draco. Right now we're gonna put her 10 yards away. 10.5 straight, 10.5 yards. Scoop it in. Yeah, like that. Scoop it in. Boom. Slide out hold that. That's the back. Leg off. Go screw it. Cuzzo having some malfunctions with his Glock right now. That bitch don't even. Yeah, jammers. Keep going, keep going, keep going. You gotta get a better mag that actually fits it. Yep, it's the way it's feeding. It's not. Nope. Okay. Whoa. All right, y'all, we're bringing out the 50 round to the range. We're about to change this target with a new target. Time to shut it. We're gonna shoot the MPC RENETTI for the first time. I don't even know if the sight is sighted in correctly. Cuzzo's filling up the 50 round. We're gonna start y'all off with the 33 stick in the netty. Grouping, but let's see what I just did, man. Giving Cuzzo the 30 stick with the RENETTI. Let's see what he could do. Go ahead, Cuzzo. I'm gonna send that bitch. Oh fuck.
Right there. Right there.
Ah, what's that? Six yards away. See what you can do. Throw it in. Rack this little piece back. Yes, sir. Let me get on this side. You'll catch you with the netty, that's your ass, boy. Good groupings, good groupings. I don't want to hear nothing in the comments. Y'all boys be happy. Look at the accuracy, boys. Come on, man. Come on. I don't want to hear nothing about my bro. All right, chat. So that's the accuracy test, man. I had the left side, Cuzzo got the right too. We're going to send it back out to 5 feet, 5.5 yards. I meant. Was that 5 yards right there? And then we're going to throw the drum on this motherfucker, the 50 round, and let Cuzzo go to work. Cuzzo, the right side is yours, brother. Go. Either right above or right under.
That shit was weak.
Alright, look at the grouping though. It's great headshots on Jay. We ain't missing nothing. Alright, YouTube gang. Me and my nigga just got done shooting in this bitch. I ain't gonna lie, shooter world is weird, bro. They be hating on you. They be running up every little thing you do, trying to tell you some shit. You can't do that. Head ass niggas. They really be jealous because niggas be pulling up without a pose. Huh, Cuzzo? Cuzzo got his shit out of a suitcase on their pull side. Y'all see it, man. It's the gun store. If y'all ain't never seen it before, they got the safes. We have this bit, man. Huh? I told you that off rip. Y'all boys, y'all come here, just know that they're gonna be on your dick, tapping your shoulder every move you make. You can't do that in the nigga ear. Over here at Shooter's World, man. But we had a good time blowing that shit. Them niggas can't stop this shit. Boogie got guns, man. Like, comment, subscribe.